Sri Lanka, magandang araw Pilipinas, mabuhay world. Yes, today guys, this is your Suddi Akka here. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the like button. Press that bell notification so you will get notified with my new uploads. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and put your comment below so I can hear anything from you. Anyway guys, today I will be doing something different. Iba po ang ating gagawin ngayon and I will be talking in English and Tagalog kasi po sinadya ko talaga sana na itong tutorial na ito is in Tagalog. Marami po kasing nagre-request sa akin or nagtatanong kung paano ako gumagawa ng thumbnail, anong apps ang gamit ko. And yes guys, ang topic po natin ngayon is about thumbnail. So, be with me guys, okay? Be with me at ipapakita ko sa inyo step by step mula sa umpisa kung paano po ako gumagawa ng aking thumbnail. All you need is connection, internet connection, a gadget, can be a mobile, desktop, or laptop, and creativity. Yes guys, creativity. So, without further ado guys, ihaharap ko kayo ngayon sa aking desktop, sa monitor ng aking desktop, and let's start to do the thumbnails. So now guys, let's start to do our thumbnail. First thing we have to do, we have to open the Google. After that, we will type here Canva. Alright. If you are new, you can type Canva sign up. You can do a create your accounts here. And then if you do that, you will see a sign up and log in here. So if you click a sign up, it will give you an option of sign up which email to use. So you can use any email as long as you can access it. So wala pong problema yun. Dahil ako po meron na akong account, so I will click log in. Alright. Meron kasi akong video guys na gusto kong gawa ng thumbnail. So since gagawa lang din naman ako, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung paano kong ginagawa. So ito po ang itsura ng Canva. Libre po ito, hindi nyo na po kailangan i-download sa computer ninyo. You can just access it anytime as long na may internet kayo. And from here, you can do a create design. Sa create design po, ang dami-dami po nilang option. Ang dami-dami. Like for example, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel art, or you can create your own dimension there. Corporate resume, logo presentation, video, resume, menu, you can do everything. See, ang dami-dami guys. May mga templates kasi, invoices, recipe card, planner, letter, lesson plan. You can even do your curriculum vitae here. Okay, so since we're doing a thumbnail, let's click thumbnail. Okay, I don't want any other thing running, so I will close the first one kasi naka-open na ito. These are the templates. These are the templates that it will magbibigay na yan sa inyo ng ano. Ito yung mga templates na may idea na kayo sa design. So, all you have to do is just change the photos. Let's say, for example, sa photos, pwede ka mag-upload dito ng picture na gusto mo. Ayan, you can upload from a device, whatsoever. So, if you want to change sa photo, all you have to do is go to your uploads. Alright, let's go back. Ayan, uploads. These are your uploads. Choose the photo that you want to put. Take the picture and just drag it. See that? Just take the picture and just drag it. Ayan. So, that's the idea of template. When it comes to the background, you can just choose the background, click background, and just click it. It will change the background. Okay? So, you can play along. Even with the font, pwede mo yan siyang baguhin. Yan, nandyan lahat ng mga font. But then, anyway, let's proceed to our main. Gagawa ako ng aking sariling thumbnail. So, then, dahil sa gusto ko gumawa ng sarili kong thumbnail, meron akong sariling potong in-upload. So, ito yung uploads ko. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Since picture yan, pag i-click mo, ganyan ang lalabas. Kasi hindi siya template. So, ang gagawin natin, click that picture, drag it, and just put it like that. Mag-fit na lang siya yan. Okay? Gusto ko siyang ilagay konti sa gilid. So, I can do like that. O, diba? Ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin, punta tayo sa elements. Gusto kong gumawa ng box dito na may pangalan. So here, hahanap tayo ng rectangle kasi rectangle ang size na gusto ko. So anything you needed, you can just type in a search box. Tapos ibibigay niya sa iyo ang option. Ito ang gusto ko. Kasi red siya, terno siya sa damit ni girl. Diba? Para siyang papel. And I want it on the other side kasi parang baliktad siya. Diba? Para siyang baliktad. So, you can just flip it. See? Flip horizontal, flip vertical. Alright, that's how I want it. Ayan, that's how I want it. Ngayon, sa mga susulat, punta ka sa text. Dito, ang daming option na pwede mong gamitin. Pwede mong gamitin yan. Palitan mo lang ng text. Palitan mo ng text. Pag masyado malaki, pwede mong palitan na maliit. There you go. Ganyan. Tama yan, ha? But now, I want to use a normal one because I want to use, gusto ko gumamit ng sarili kong font, so I can use this one first. Gusto ko gumamit ng sarili kong font. Ngayon, palitan ko muna yung text. So, ang aking ginawa is create thumbnail. How to remove background on videos. Ngayon, center natin siya. Okay, no, not that. Okay, center. Liitan na magkasya. So, 50 yan. Maybe gawin natin 36. Let's see how to remove background on videos. Lagay natin how to remove background. Okay na yan. Ngayon, ilalagay natin dito. O, diba? Ngayon, palitan natin ng font na maganda. I always want to use this one. Pwede kayong mag-imikot, guys. Ang dami niyang option, guys. Ang daming pagpipilian. But since this is what I want. Okay. How to remove backgrounds. Parang ang liit niya. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Ngayon, pwede mo rin siyang palitan ng kulay. Kasi gusto natin siya maging mas makulay. I think we need to make this a little bit smaller kasi parang ano niya. Hindi siya magkasya. Anyway guys, it will look big kasi naka 37% lang po tayo. I will show you later the finished product. How to remove backgrounds. And I will create using. I hope na makahanap tayo ng logo niya, ha. Gusto ko siya ibahin. Lakihan. Okay, change the color. I want to experiment with the color. I want to make a design. You can do whatever you want with this. Libre ito, guys. Show your creativity. Maghanap tayo. So, dito sa elements, whatever you want, you can type. So, since I'm trying to find, gusto ko kasi maglagay ng Adobe. So, let's try to see kung may mahanap tayo na na Adobe logo. Wala. Walang mahanap. Ayun, kaya lang may bayad siya. Ito yung hinihingi ko, guys, kaso may bayad siya. So, dahil wala tayong mahanap na libre, gagawin natin, kukuha tayo kay Google. So, pwede tayo maghanap dito. Premiere Pro. Punta sa images. Okay. Dito guys, kailangan maghanap ka rito ng available for, labeled for reuse. Para hindi po tayo magka-problema. Ayan. Pero wala rin ako mahanap. Wala siyang logo. Ayun. Ayan siya. Premiere Pro. Okay. So, kukuha ko ng isa nito. Kukuha tayo isa nito. Save as. Now, all we have to do is upload the video, device, find that photo na kinuha natin, open. Ayan. I hope you are with me, guys. And then, click that one. Gagamitin natin. Here. Gagawa tayo ng text. Kasi nandun yung logo. So, gusto ko rito gagawa ko ng text. Gagawa ko ng text. In writing. Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. Ayan. Ngayon, gagawin natin, liitan natin siya, guys. Let's say this one, ay, hindi siya sumama. Highlight. So, ano ito, guys? What I'm trying to say is, itong paggagawa po ng thumbnail, guys, is 100% creativity lang po. Ang pinaka-importante. Pag creative po kayo, you can do a perfect one. Satisfied yourself. Eka nga. Just satisfied yourself. Okay. Yan na lang po para malakihan natin siya. Hindi ako satisfied eh. After I said, kaya sabi ko sa'yo guys, kailangan lang guys, satisfied kayo sa gawa nyo. Gagawa tayo ng text. Kasi nandun yung logo, so gusto ko rito gagawa ko ng text. Gagawa ko ng text. In writing. Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. Ayan. Ngayon, gagawin natin, liitan natin siya, guys. Let's say this one, ay, hindi siya sumama. Highlight. So, ano ito guys? What I'm trying to say is, itong paggagawa po ng thumbnail guys, is 100% creativity lang po. Ang pinaka-importante. Pag creative po kayo, you can do a perfect one. Tapos, kasi medyo malalayo siya, kita mo guys, lahat na kailangan nyo is nandito. Napakadali. And since ang color niya is pink, gagawin natin siyang pink. Ayan. Or, more onto purple. Ayan. So, yan lang guys. Gusto ko ganyan lang siya. Simple lang siya. So, ganyan lang guys ang paggawa ng thumbnail guys. Okay? Ganyan lang kasimple po ang paggawa ng thumbnail. Ngayon, pagtapos ka na, ang gawin mo rito, download. Ayan, preparing na siya. Very simple. Ayan na guys, okay na. So, ganun lang po ang paggawa natin ng thumbnail using Canva. And it's free. No need to download any app and everything. Thank you so much guys and see you next tutorial. Bye-bye.